Manus AI versus DeepSeek. So let's start with Manus AI. So Manus AI is a fully autonomous AI agent that can plan, reason, and execute multi-step tasks like building and execute websites, automating workflows, and generating multimodal outputs like images, reports, and presentations. So its process, it offers end-to-end task automation, from high-level planning to action execution. It also has a multi-agent architecture, demonstrated strong results on benchmarks. It also has an integrated multi-modal output. It has generation context-aware visuals, websites, charts, and more as part of its workflows. The cons is though, it has limited stability and access. It also has a high cost and low usability. It also has some risk of scam or misleading access claims. Now DeepSeek, on the other hand, is a high-performance AI model optimized for reasoning, coding, content generation, and conversational tasks. So its process, it is fast and efficient. It's built with a mixture of experts architecture. It also has consistent reliability. It is also affordable and open. The problem is though, is the safety and privacy risk. There's no content censorship and it may be lagging in the chatbot reliability. So it's ideal for daily productivity tasks, content creation, coding, and cost-sensitive deployments. Now, overall, if you're looking for a more advanced and cost-efficient and reliability, then go for DeepSeek AI. But if you want something that can go from idea to action, then choose Manus AI.